school dropout, about to be rich. And all this shit about to switch. I ain't for the top, I ain't talking no scars. Play with her mind, I'm rubbing on thighs. She gave me the top, I'm blowing her mind. Pouring tequila, I'm slowing the time. Everything that I do is a vibe. Like bitch, hop in a ride. No key, push start, she like low key, let's fucking. Yeah. New Mafia. So yeah, you can see it. We outside. Car meet. Pink Flamingo shit.
Hello, baby. Hello,
We over here pre-gaming. You feel me? Getting lit.
Pre-game rolling up dope.
Bow.
Whole lot of dope, man. Whole lot of raw papers, whole lot of action. Whole lot of. Your hoe probably here. She told you she was asleep. She over there. That's her right there. She over there. That's what. Look, went over there. That's your hoe right there.
That's your hoe right there. That's the craziest part of the night.
She told you she was asleep. She was over here, man. Watch these niggas drift around this motherfucker. Look when that kind of police. They just want to have some
12,
fun.
hey look, 12 over here.
I can't stop. Hey, look. You know they was never cool. They was never.
Man, fuck 12, man. We at the barbershop. See, Beamers. Feel me? You see me and Bro Pool. Back to back. Feel me?
That's where they need to hide this shit at. Like, these niggas be scared to go to the east, man. That's why.
Boy,
hey, man,
they don't.
Flamingo, you scared to go to the east? What's going on, man? You wouldn't be getting shut down every 5 seconds if you was scared. If you would go to the east. You feel me?
Every 5 seconds is crazy. They don't let you like chill out here. They don't let you vibe out, bro. Like, what's wrong?
My boy Noodle said you good.
You over with. You play on the east, they gonna let you play, bro. They like that type of shit. Then the cops gonna probably get in the circle with you. You feel me?
Hell yeah. So yeah, this is it right here. First stop. Let's see what the fuck the night got to give us. Cause I already know some shit about the pop, man.
Bro,
There go another Beamer.
Shorty found out I was here, boy.
Only
Here go Gain them.
Yeah.
Feel me? There go 12 them. Come through. Sup? Look, this nigga, look, smoking right in front of no fucks given, you heard? Night looking. Beam scheme. She looking right. Mopar. Can't go wrong with Beamer just too hard, bro. It's just you can't get it fucking wrong. Yo.
Go right here. Hey, bro, fan out to the left so Omi gets your right side.
What's up, Chris?
Yo. What's up, buddy?
Hey, where are you going?
All the way to the left so you can open up for him on the right. Make sure y'all get with that on camera. Make them famous too. Make sure you get with on camera.
Wait, hold on. This is bro, I live over there, bro. Cause I'm like, why does she look so familiar? Niggas is here, bro. Wow. That is hilarious. Hold on, somebody talking Spanish. Oh, that might be okay. That's a whole mi gente.
Hey,
¿Qué lo que?
mi gente.
Hay gente por encima.
Come in with us. We want you can ride the bike? Come on,
Bad as hell.
Come on.
Yes.
Yo, Craig.
Yo, they got salmon right there. He's in the opposite direction, bro. He's just so dumb. That's salmon right there.
These niggas look like they about to just take the fuck off. Best one right here. M3.
Yeah, we would act so hard like then we like supporting them.
And if anything, the niggas should just push it back. If we're doing like this and this, they need to push back. Back it up.
I think this shit funny.
Yo.
Yeah.
That's what we talking about right
I was
here.
just, you know, I holler at them. Shorty got a, yo, Shorty over there, that's a bike. That's her motorcycle. Looking great. God damn. That bitch can't wait to take off. This bitch can't wait to what? Speak it, man. God damn.
Bro, you know me too, bro. Hey, you weren't come on, bro. Hey man, y'all look cool as fuck, bro. Hop in the scene with me, bro. Follow me. Follow me. Hop in the scene
You
with
know
me, bro.
us, man.
Yo, nigga,
I'll be the
why
same.
you acting like
Digital
I
mom.
don't know niggas, gang? You over here, hell.
Alright, yeah, nigga drunk or something.
Yeah, he drunk as hell.
That is hilarious. That is hilarious, bro. Said,
I know we grew up, but shit.
niggas grew up, but shit. Yeah?
Bro, I thought this shit was recording this whole time.
The funny part is, all these people standing here don't know we some legends. They standing around some legends and they just don't know that. Hilarious. So funny.
Yeah.
But they feel it. That's all
Whoa,
it is.
whoa, whoa.
Feeling is men.
He said they don't know it, but they
know
feel
it.
it.
Fuck if they know it.
And they know it. I think Chuck is a pro.
I don't mind being the gift bag. I might hold this bitch all night, twin. Oh. Look at that.
I think we getting started.
Oh, you want to,
Definitely getting started. You passed by talking about some puta man.
Nigga, lie right to my face. I don't even understand. They know how much crime I did today. Baby V using wiping away. I don't got change for 20 days. I'm trying to get this game. I'm trying to cover way more. I got this down in my ankle.
Video, man. I ain't trying to just have my weed smoking for no reason.
Yeah. I don't like shiesty, I don't like Gucci Mane.
I'm down to
4 a day.
dirty water.
Louis Ray, hold up. Want me free, baby. Young nigga, I was middle school.
Care angel.
Pop star, bitch on just the Timberlake. Sipping on.
Nigga told me give me a shot, nigga. He was like, you know me.
I like this little one. Nigga, Sup CEO in the building. Hold up. Sipping on. Good though. I forgot I was here. I ain't gonna lie, G. It's time.
I already know, man. Man, I'm trying to see the fuckery. Where the fuckery at?
It's right behind you. He said, where the fuckery?
What's the fuckery?
He said, where the fuckery? Look.
Ooh,
soon as he said where the fuck are we at.
She gets it up in the air. Some bitch ass go up in the air as soon as I say it.
Right there. Look at my camera. Look.
She looking deep.
Look at this. Look at this beautiful ass. Bro,
What if
stop.
I go over there and bite
Go
it?
ahead. Oh, look.
Hold on. Stay right there, look. Look. Where my hand? Look. You know how people be taking pictures close to buildings and they're the same height as the building? Alright, tell me where my hand is, where in front of her ass, right?
Okay, bet. Hold on. They said policia. Oh, they said policia. What that mean?
Yo, get this.
Copy, mate, boy. I got this down at MIA.
This is happening in the neighborhood near you.
Man, you.
Down the street.
Wait to be.
There you, man.
Guys, singing ABC.
Get me on camera, man. Yeah, man. We outside, man. We're shutting down the block. We don't give a fuck. Look at this shit, man. My whole fucking team, bro. 12 is over there, bro. We don't give a fuck, bro.
This nigga is hell. This nigga. Talk to the cops. We're gonna park here.
Yeah, literally.
We ain't gonna do no crazy stuff. Oh, my fault. Fast and Furious song. Man, I'll turn this bitch up, nigga. They lucky I ain't parked over there. I would have dead ass played that bitch. I had a whole vision already of doing that. For real. Hold on, let's see what the fuck.
Get up so they can move.
Alright, let's go. Let's leave. Let's go.
We rolling out. Rolling out with Chris.
Follow us.
Hey, we rolling out. It's about to go crazy.
We're just trying to bring people together and be positive.
That's what we all about.
You know
But you got
what I'm
to, we still got to, they got a business they want to run, and I don't want to have any issues. I don't want people laying down getting hit.
We straight.
But y'all have a good night, man. Y'all be safe. Just drive around. Have a good night, man. Appreciate it.
Y'all, that's powder. Oh, God, bro.
We outside. This nigga is gotta be off the fucking liquor. Shut it down, you heard? That shit sound baby as fuck. We out this bitch. Get the fuck out. Another great day. Another amazing day. Oh shit! My boy pulled up in that shit. Yeah, turn that bitch. Fuck out of here. Oh shit. Oh. Turn. Where you think I'm going coño? Oh, you gotta do that sooner. You gotta do it sooner than that.
Love is no